Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's acrylic tutorial, we will create a serene pond filled with vibrant lotus leaves and colorful koi fishes. So all I did it on a sketchbook of size A4. I find it very useful to do practice work. So I am preparing my sketchbook and securing the border with washi tapes. This tutorial is very beginner friendly and very relaxing. So grab your brushes and let's dive in. So for this I'm taking linol thread brushes, a couple of round brushes. All the details of brushes I will explain in the description below. First of all, I have started with a light sketch with a pencil to place the structures of koi fishes and the lotus leaves. So you can pause here to draw yours before painting. So creating outlines gives me an idea about the painting, and while I am going to apply the colors, I'm taking acrylic colors of Camlin, and colors also will be explained in the description below. You can check it on. So first of all, I'm going to apply colors in the water first. So you can see that the outer layers of the waters are little deep. So I'm going to paint the deep colors first, then slowly I will go to the lighter colors. So you can see here that I'm keeping gaps in the outer outlines and applying paints very carefully. So I am doing wet on wet techniques here with acrylics so that it blends well. So always try to blend while it's wet for a soft water like effect, and remember to keep your strokes flowing like water. So to give the structures of lips and the fish, I am using the small round brush, and slowly I'm going to paint the structure of the lotus leaf. Always use a smaller brush for delicate petals. Later I'm going to highlight these lips by using a lighter version of green with mixtures of white color in it. So for the koi fish also I'm taking a round brush only. Make sure to give the fish curved bodies. It makes them look like they are really swimming. So I'm taking a nylon flat brush again to give the structures of lotus leaf, because it's kind of there are some cuts and creases in the pattern of the leaves, so a flat nylon brush will be helpful for this. So you can see that I'm giving a touch of highlights by using a lighter version of green by mixing a pinch of white color in it. So the best part in this painting is, this is the best part in this painting, applying vibrant orange colors in this coefficient, which makes the painting more vibrant and colorful. You can use a small round brush for this. So don't forget to paint these highlights. The small highlights bring your painting to life. So it's completed. Here's the final look of our peaceful pond with lotus leaves and colorful coefficients. Let me know in the comment what you would like me to paint next. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with a fellow art lover. See you in the next one.